A boat takes 6 hours to travel 8 kilometers upstream and 32 kilometers downstream. And it takes 7 hours to travel 20 kilometers upstream and 16 kilometers downstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. Solution. Let the speed of the boat in still water be equal to x kilometer per hour and the speed of the stream be equal to y kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the boat downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour and speed of the boat upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. From the first condition, where time is equal to distance upon speed, we have 8 upon x minus y plus 32 upon x plus y is equal to 6. Let this be equation number 1. From second condition, 20 upon x minus y plus 16 upon x plus y is equal to 7. Let this be equation number 2. Now, considering 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b, we have 8a plus 32b is equal to 6. Equation number 3. And 20a plus 16b is equal to 7. Equation number 4. Now multiplying equation 4 by 2, we get 40a plus 32b is equal to 14. Let this be equation number 5. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 5. 40a plus 32b is equal to 14 minus 8a plus 32b is equal to 6. The signs gets changed and 32b and minus 32b gets cancelled out. And we get 32a is equal to 8. Therefore, a is equal to 8 upon 32, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Substituting the value of a in equation 3, we get 8 into 1 upon 4 plus 32b is equal to 6. Therefore, 2 plus 32b is equal to 6. 32b is equal to 6 minus 2. Therefore, 32b is equal to 4. b is equal to 4 upon 32, which is equal to 1 upon 8. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 4 and b is equal to 1 upon 8. Now resubstituting the values of a and b, we have 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 4. Let this be equation number 6. And 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 8. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 8. Let this be equation number 7. Now adding equation 6 and 7, we get x minus y is equal to 4 plus x plus y is equal to 8. Now minus y plus y is cancelled out and you have 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Putting the value of x in equation 6, we get 6 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore, minus y is equal to 4 minus 6. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 2. Thus, y is equal to 2. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water is 6 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. Number 1. X plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. Each equation. For that, we need to make the tables. Draw the table. In the first column, write x, y and x comma y. Taking the value of x as 1 and substituting it into the given equation are 1, 7. Similarly, taking x is equal to 2 we get y is equal to 6. Similarly, we will make a table for the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Draw the table. In the first column, write down x, y and x comma y. We get y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, coordinates of x and y are 1, minus 1. Therefore, coordinates of x and y are 4, 2 and 2, 6. Similarly, plot the points 1, minus 1 and join them to get the graph of x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution of given simultaneous equation is 5, 3. That is, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Three x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and y is equal to x plus 4. That is, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus pi and x minus y is equal to minus 4. Now, to draw the graphs of the two given equations, we will have to find two solutions of each equation. For that, we need to make the tables. We will first draw the table for equation 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 5. In the first column, write x, y and x comma y. Now, taking x is equal to 1 and substituting in this equation, we get y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 1, minus 2. Similarly, taking x is equal to 5 and substituting the value in the above equation, we get y is equal to minus 5. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 5, minus 5. Now, we will draw a table for equation x minus y is equal to minus 4. In the first column, write x, y and x comma y. Taking value of x as minus 3 and substituting in this equation, we get y is equal to 1. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are minus 3, 1. Similarly, taking x is equal to minus 2 and substituting in the above equation, we get y is equal to 2. Therefore, coordinates of x and y are minus 2, 2. Now plot the points 1, minus 2 and 5, minus 5 and join them to get the graph of equation 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly, plot the points minus 3, 1 and minus 2, 2 and join them to get the graph of equation y is equal to x plus 4. As you can see in the graph, the two lines intersect at point minus 3 and 1. Therefore, solution of given simultaneous equation is minus 3, 1. That is, x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 1. Two x plus y is equal to 6 and 4 minus 3x upon 4 is equal to y. That is, 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 4 minus 3x upon 4 is equal to y. To draw the graph of the two given equations, we will find two solutions of each equation. For that, we need to make tables. First of all, we will draw the table for equation 2x plus y is equal to 6. In the first column, write down x, y and x comma y. When x is taken as 2, then we get y is equal to 2. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 2, 2. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, then we get y is equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 1, 4. Now, let us draw the table for the equation 4 minus 3x upon 4 is equal to y. Taking x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 0, 1. Similarly, taking x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of x and y are 4, minus 2. Now plot the points 2, 2 and 1, 4 and join them to get the graph of equation 2x plus y is equal to 6. Similarly, plot the points 0, 1 and 4 minus 2 and join them to get the graph of equation 4 minus 3x upon 4 is equal to y. You can see in the graph the lines intersect at point 4 minus 2. Therefore, the solution of the given simultaneous equations is 4 minus 2. That is, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 2. A bus covers a certain distance with uniform speed. If the speed of the bus would have been increased by 15 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 2 hours less to cover the same distance. And if the speed of the bus would have been decreased by 5 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 1 hour more to cover the same distance. Find the distance covered by the bus. Solution. Let y kilometer per hour be the uniform speed of the bus and t hours be the time taken by the bus. Then the distance covered by the bus is yt kilometers. According to the first condition, when the speed is y plus 15, then the time taken is t minus 2 and the distance covered is yt. Therefore, distance covered is equal to speed into time. Therefore, yt is equal to y plus 15 into t minus 2. After removing the brackets, we have that is y plus 15 into t minus 2 is equal to yt. After opening the brackets, we have yt plus 15t minus 2y minus 30 is equal to yt. Yt gets cancelled out on either sides and we have 15t minus 2y is equal to 30. Let this be equation number 1. Now, according to the second condition, if the speed is y minus 5, then the time taken is t plus 1 and the distance covered is yt. Therefore, y minus 5 into t plus 1 is equal to yt. After opening the brackets, we have yt minus 5t plus y minus 5 is equal to yt. Here yt gets cancelled out on either sides and we have minus 5t plus y is equal to 5. Let this be equation number 2. Now multiplying equation 2 by 3 we get minus 15t plus 3y is equal to 15. Let this be equation number 3. Adding equation 1 and 3 we get 15t minus 2y is equal to 30 plus minus 15 plus 3y is equal to 15. Here plus 15t and minus 15t gets cancelled out and we have y is equal to 45. Putting the value of y in equation 1 we get 15t minus 2y is equal to 30. Therefore 15t minus 2 into 45 is equal to 30. Therefore 15t minus 9t is equal to 30. Therefore 15t is equal to 120. T is equal to 120 divided by 15, which is equal to 8. Thus we have y is equal to 45 and t is equal to 8. Now the distance covered by the bus in each condition is same and is equal to yt. Therefore yt is equal to 45 into 8, which is equal to 360 kilometers. Therefore the distance covered by the bus is 360 kilometers. A man starts his job with a certain monthly salary and a fixed increment every year. If his salary will be rupees 11,000 after 2 years and rupees 14,000 after 4 years of his service, what is his starting salary and what is the annual increment? Solution. Let the starting monthly salary of the man be rupees X and his fixed increment every year be Y. Now, according to the first condition, after 2 years his salary will be X plus 2Y is equal to 11,000. Let this be equation number 1. And by second condition, after 4 years his salary will be X plus 4Y is equal to 14,000. Let this be equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get X plus 4Y is equal to 14,000 minus X plus 2Y is equal to 11,000. The signs get changed and plus X and minus X gets cancelled out and we get 2Y is equal to 3,000. Therefore Y is equal to 3,000 divided by 2. Therefore Y is equal to 1,500. Now substituting the value of y in equation 1, we get x plus 2y is equal to 11,000. X plus 2 into 1,500 is equal to 11,000. Therefore x plus 3,000 is equal to 11,000. Therefore, x is equal to 11,000 minus 3,000. Therefore, x is equal to 8,000. Therefore, the starting monthly salary is rupees 8,000 and the fixed annual increment is rupees 1,500. If 3, 1 is the point of intersection of lines ax plus by is equal to 7 and bx plus ay is equal to 5, find the values of a and b. Let ax plus by is equal to 7 be equation number 1 and bx plus ay is equal to 5 be equation number 2. It is given that the point of intersection of these two lines is 3, 1. Hence, putting the values of x, y is equal to 3, 1 in equation 1 and 2, we get, for equation 1, a into 3 plus b into 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, 3a plus b is equal to 7. Let this be equation number 3. Now, for equation 2, we have b into 3 plus a into 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, 3b plus a is equal to 5. That is, a plus 3b is equal to 5. Let this be equation number 4. Now multiplying equation 4 by 3, we get 3a plus 9b is equal to 15. Let this be equation number 5. Now subtracting equation 3 from 5, we get 3a plus 9b is equal to 15 minus 3a plus b is equal to 7. The signs of equation 3 changes. That is, minus into plus 3a gives minus 3a, minus into plus b gives minus b, and minus into plus 7 gives minus 7. Here, plus 3a and minus 3a gets cancelled out and we get 8b is equal to 8. Therefore, b is equal to 8 divided by 8, which is equal to 1. Now putting b is equal to 1 in equation 3, we get 3a plus b is equal to 7. 3a plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, 3a is equal to 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. Therefore, a is equal to 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Points 3, minus 1 and 6, 1 lie on the line represented by the equation px plus qy is equal to 9. Find the values of p and q. Solution. The equation of line is given as px plus qy is equal to 9. And the 2 points of intersection are 3, minus 1 and 6, 1. This means that they satisfy the equation. Therefore, putting 3 minus 1 in the equation, we get p into 3 plus q into minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 3p minus q is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, putting 6, 1 in the given equation, we get p into 6 plus q into 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 6p plus q is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get 3p minus q is equal to 9 plus 6p plus q is equal to 9. Here, minus q plus q gets cancelled out and we get 9p is equal to 18. Therefore, p is equal to 18 divided by 9. Therefore, p is equal to 2. Now putting the value of p in equation 1, we get 3p minus q is equal to 9. 3 into 2 minus q is equal to 9. 6 minus q is equal to 9. Therefore, minus q is equal to 9 minus 6. Therefore, minus q is equal to 3. Therefore, q is equal to minus 3. Hence, we have p is equal to 2 and q is equal to minus 3.